Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain all about comparator interface. So first coming to the what is comparator in Java. Comparator is an interface which is used to compare the user defined objects which is available in a java.util package. That means suppose if you want to use the comparator interface in your class, we should import the package called java.util package. So in this comparator interface contain only two methods. One is compare method, another one is equals method. Coming to the compare method. Compare method is used to compare the first object with a second object. If you see the syntax of the compare method, so always compare method return a integer value. So if you here we are passing the two objects, object 1 and object 2. Then coming to the equals method. Equals method is used to compare the present object with a specified object. So if you observe the syntax of the equals method, here it always returns boolean value. That means it should return either true or false. In the equals method, we are passing only one object. Now I am going to show you the simple example of comparator interface. How the comparator interface can sort the user defined data based on a specific property. So now I am going to Eclipse. Just go to the package, select the class, and I am going to take the class name is product. So product is my class name. Just click on finish. So in this product class I am going to take a three properties. One is the product id, another one is product name, and one more thing I want to take product price. So now I am going to generate a constructor for all these properties. So just go to source. So select the generate constructor using fields. So it automatically generate the constructor for all these properties. So just cut and paste here. Now we can format it. So if you want sort the data on any one of these product properties, then we have to create a separate class for this. So suppose I want to sort the product price. So now I am going to create a one more class called product price comparator. So here I am going to create a product price comparator. So this is my class name. I want to sort the data based on a product price. So now I am going to implements comparator. So here, so if you want to use the comparator, we should import the package called java.util. So now we should implement all the methods of comparator. So here we should implement the compare method. So in this compare method we are passing two objects. So now I am going to create a product class object. So product p1 equal to product of, I am typecasting object 1, and I am going to create a one more object product p2. So we need to typecast 2. Now I am going to create a one more like condition. Here I am going to check the condition. So if product p1 dot I want to compare the data based on the price, p1 dot product price equal to p2 dot product price. So if the both the product price is same, you should return a 0. Otherwise else if So here I'm going to check P1 dot product price greater than P2 dot product price. So in this situation, it should return 1. And I'm going to check one more thing, one more condition, else it should return -1. So if both the product price is same, then it is return 0, else it return. If in case product 1 price is greater than product 2, it returns 1, otherwise it returns -1. So now I'm going to create a test class for checking this one. So here I'm going to create a test product. So this is my class. Here I'm going to take a main method. So in this main method I'm going to create a one array list object, array list al equal to new array list. So now I'm going to add the data into the array list. So here import the package java.util package. So here I'm going to add al.add So here I'm going to create a new product of. So in this constructor I'm passing the values. So product ID is 101 and the product name is first I'm taking phone. So this is my product name and the product price is 50,000 sorry, and I'm going to take, I want to add one more product and one more product. So here product ID is 102 and product is laptop. So laptop 70,000 and one more product is tab. So tab cost is I want to take 90,000. Now I'm going to use the collection dot sort. Here I'm sort. So here I'm passing array list object comma new product price comparator. So here I want to sort the data based on the product price. That's why here we are passing the product price comparator class. So now I'm going to create the iterator itr equal to, I want to iterate the data, iterate. So here iterator spelling is ITERA. So this is the class name. Now I'm going to iterate the data. Just I'm using the while itr dot as next. So here I'm going to iterate the data. So for iterating I'm going to create the product class object, product equal to product of itr dot next. So here I'm going to print the product data. So system.out.println, I want to print data p dot product id and here I'm going to use the p dot product name p dot product price. So now I'm going to print the data. So here if you see, here we are adding, like here we are sorting the data. So if you observe here, we are sorting the data based on the product price. So if you observe here, we are giving the 50,000, 70,000, 90,000. Suppose I want to change the rates to, here I am changing 70,000 is the phone, laptop is 40,000, and tab is I want to use 50,000. Now you should sort the data. So if you observe here, run as Java application. So here it is sorting based on the product price. So 40,000 is coming first, and 50,000 is coming second, and 70,000 is coming third one, because here we are sorting the data based on the comparator interface. So all these user defined objects are sorted. Suppose if you want sort the based on the product name, here we should create a one more class called product name comparator. So here we are in the product name comparator. Now here we should create a object of product name. So here I am going to implements comparator interface. So here we should implement the unimplemented method, compare method. So here I am going to create a, just like how we are creating the object here, in the same way here also we can create the objects of the product class. Now here I am going to return. So here we are comparing the string objects. That's why just a single statement I can write the logic. P1 dot product name dot compare to method we can use compare to method. So here we can pass the p2 dot product name. So here we can just in test class we can use one more block just like, and we should pass the comparator product name comparator. So here I am going to pass the product name comparator, and here we can use the itr1. So now I am going to print it system.out.println. Here I am writing product name sorting using product name. So now I am going to print it. So here we can see, here the first one is this one is based on the price we are sorting. So second one is here we are sorting based on the product name. So laptop, phone, tab, LMNOPQRST. So product name is sorted. First laptop is coming because L is the first one. The next one is P came like phone, and third one is tab is coming. So here I want to, so here we can write the this block. Now run as Java application. So here we can see this block is based on the product price we are sorting. So here we are sorting based on the product name. So here L is coming first, L M N O P is second, R S T. T is coming last. So here if you see here laptop, tab, phone, but here here is phone, phone is coming second, the laptop is coming first, because in the alphabetic L is coming first, another one is P, another one is T. So now here we are sorting the data based on the product name. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.